The Sin City Boys formed in the year 1966 in the Little Village neighborhood at the intersection of 27th and Ridgeway. A new wave of Mexican migration came to Little Village that year, brought on by displaced Mexican families from the near west side as University of Illinois at Chicago campus construction tore down many homes. This brought many new gangs to this neighborhood that would cause issues with the founders of the Sin City Boys, prompting them to form the Sin City Boys. At some point, the Sin City Boys got into it badly with Latin Kings and the Ridgeway Lords. When the Sin City Boys formed, multiple new gangs were moving into the South Lawndale area from other parts of the city or starting up in this area. Some gangs that moved into the city that the Sin City Boys would clash with were Artistics, Morgan Deuces, and Satan Disciples. The Sin City Boys also clashed with Little Village native gangs like Ridgeway Lords and Latin Kings. When the 2-6 formed in 1970, the Sin City Boys became close allies with them, as that group also fought Latin Kings and Ridgeway Lords. According to a former leader named Johnny, Sin City Boys began to leave Little Village because of the intense gang war of the Latin Kings and 2-6 in the late 1970s, when members were turning 30. In the year 1992, the Sin City Boys completely left Little Village and moved into the suburb of Cicero in the Grant Works section at 12th Place and 47th. This was the only section until 1993, when Sin City Boys opened 13th and 49th Street. I also had heard there was a notorious leader named Capone. Sin City Boys also opened at 35th and Clinton in Berwyn. The Sin City Boys are a folk nation gang, at least since 1981, that has engaged in wars with people nation gangs around them like Latin Kings, Bishops, Latin Angels, and Latin Counts. They also have fought wars with the 2-2 Boys, who are a folk nation gang that started because they are one block away from each other in Cicero.